Noni morning to you. I love you. Allow your body to relax. Give permission to your body to relax. Breathe 3 times slowly and deeply. With the energy of love, bless everyone in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, in India, and the world with joy, love, peace, good health, and true wealth. Welcome to the 4th National Symposium of Noni Research. This is called Noni Search 2009. The theme of symposium is Noni for empowerment and prosperity.
Everywhere, even in the developed countries, we find that in spite of the medical facilities, large number of people are dying. And so that announcement of the wellness, what is defined by the Mr. Peter, again I thank him. He thinks in the total wellness of the people, not only in the terms of the treatment, but he thinks in that wellness. And when we think of the wellness, Noni is a wise option.
I quote Gandhiji to re-emphasize the need for nutritive food. Poor see God in food.
Gandhiji preached and practiced naturopathy, especially herbal medicines, to prevent and cure diseases. He created awareness among the people for having good health without medication in this fast-moving lifestyle with tensions and various at levels.
I feel that it is one crop which from very minor, it has emerged as a major, one of the crops being included in the horticulture sector.
A number of major pests which are occurring in the plants are trying to develop strategies for controlling these pests and diseases so that we can get quality production. When we use this fruit as a medicinal one, we need quality improvement as well as quality fruit without the infestation of pests and diseases which would take care of for the best quality.
It is a crop. Definitely we should take a much interest because not much involved in the cost of cultivation and other thing, and it is a hardy crop because as ICAR is having one ACRP on underdeveloped and unexploited crop.
It's a tremendous change, tremendous knowledge we are having about Noni, and that will help convincing people, including scientists, that what is Noni.
Noni is a wellness, feel-good fruit crop and aspirin of the ancient time. In the present time, it is an immunomodulator.
Noni has been reported actually as useful against several, you can say, diseases. It is having antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal.
Morinda citrifolia is not a single simple drug plant, but it is an immunomodulator plant. It shows all the type of activities which can rejuvenate our body.
Gujarat state tribal use the fruits against cough and cold. Ash of leaf is also made into paste denial based and applied on boils.
Propagation of the quality planting material on traditional method as well as tissue culture and other methods under a project funded by the National Medicinal Plant Board from the My Center as well as other centers.
Heat loving plant which predominantly come very well in the tropical climatic conditions.
It is a crucial and precious commodity, but for production of this plant, a judicious use of water is very much required.
The strategic research in crop protection in Noni could be on 5 thrust areas.
Till 2007, we were presenting the disease information based on Dr. Scott Nelson publications. Thanks to the World Noni Research Foundation initiative,
which looks like a pathological one, we can stimulate similar one by keeping the over-ripened fruit
near the contact with the stem and the branches.
Regarding the symptomatology, the characteristic symptom associated with the disease is characterized by the presence of brown necrotic spots with dark brown margin and gray center. You can see the presence of minute black colored acerulae on the affected leaves, which is subsequently followed by short-hole symptoms.
Total number of insect pests per plant as well as the predator, parasites and all other non-apparently harmless insect also recorded in the Noni farms.
We have